worksheet, beta. You got the worksheet, and the last class in the last class I have shown you some magic also. So we are continue with that magic only. ठीक है? हाँ जी. So now we are going to start with the magic only. ठीक है? And for that, and that magic is going to link with your worksheet also. ठीक है? So now here I'm going to show you. So okay. So this is I'm not going to tell you what I have right now. ठीक है? Just wait a minute. I'll show you. And you have to tell me what ma'am is doing. So firstly, tell me, this chapter is done in your class. Acid, base, salt is done in your class.
Yes.
So are you aware of few things? Okay, बहुत फटाफट मैं कुछ पूछूंगी. I want everyone to answer. Now tell me, all alkalines or alkalis are base? Say yes or no. फटाफट जल्दी जल्दी. All alkalis are base?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next question. All base are alkalis?
No, ma'am.
Now who can tell me why it's not true? Why it's not true? What does it mean? You are right. I'm not saying you are wrong. I'm saying you are perfectly right. Now my next question is why? Why all alkalis are base but all base are not alkalis? Why so? What are alkalis? बताओ, alkaline अगर हम कहते हैं alkaline solution है या alkalis हैं, तो what does it mean? Yes, girl whose hand is raised first bench. आजा बेटा, corner रो. Yes, mic is on. Yes.
And soluble bases are called alkalis.
Soluble bases are called alkalis, and all bases are not soluble. That's why all bases are not alkalis. That's nice. Good. Sit down, beta. So she's perfectly right. So that's the reason. ठीक है? Now next question. Without tasting any substance, without doing any test, ठीक है? Can we say any X white substance is a base? क्या उसको हाथ में लेके हम बता सकते हैं it's a base or not? सिर्फ फिंगर्स में ऐसे रब करके. Can we say that it's base or not?
Yes.
How? What's that property is?
Ma'am, all bases are soapy.
All bases are soapy. So can we say that all things that are around us who are soapy or slippery are base? Can we say that? Okay, you're saying we can say that. Now tell me the lotion or sunscreen cream or oil that you apply on your head are alkalis or base? Are they base? They are not base, but they are still slippery, they are still soapy. It means everything that is around us that is having the same property, that doesn't mean they also belong to the same category. ठीक है? So all slippery things or soapy things are not base. ठीक है? Now, if these are the parameters that we have learned about base or acid doesn't fall for everyone or everything, then how can we find out the nature of a solution? फिर हमें कैसे पता चलेगा ये क्या है? First thing, you know about the pH? Yes or no? So you know about the pH. So you know that we can find out the pH. ठीक है? अगर कोई चीज एसिड है उसका pH कैसा होगा? क्या होगा? Less than 7. Or if some substance is, we are saying it's base, so its pH should be more than 7. And some any substance that is having 7 pH, that means it is neutral. So with this, I'll show you pH strip here. I have, so you can see, I'll zoom it also for you. Okay. So here I'm zooming it, so you can see with my lab coat also. So I think you can guess it because I'm wearing lab coat. So we are going to do some activities also. So here you can see these strips. ठीक है? Now you can see the color of these strips are varying. Yes, change हो रहा है colors. You can see small boxes of different colors. Yes. Now here you can see the red color. This red color wala is showing what? It's showing us 1 PS to 7 means acidic, very acidic too. We are moving towards neutral. In this, from the neutrals, we are moving ahead or we are moving towards basic. So when solution is acidic, very acidic, shows bright red color and it goes down. So you can see the color is moving towards yellow color. So यहाँ पर नीचे yellow आ गया. Then when it is moving ahead towards the basic, तो yellow से पहले हल्का green, then it's become blue color. So this is how we can see that any substance and non-substance is how much basic or how much acidic. So let's see here कि is it actually work or not, कि actually में काम करता है नहीं. So for this, what I'm going to do, अब इसको हम देखेंगे कैसे. So I have this pH strips with me. So इसी में से एक strip I'm going to take. ठीक है? Now I have solution with me. So I'm going to put this solution. In this solution, I'm going to put this. So is there any change in the color? Is there any change in the color?
Yes, ma'am.
So color is matching with the red one. Is it acidic or base?
Acidic.
Acidic. So it tells us that this solution is acidic. I have one more solution with me. Okay. I'm going to put that in that solution also. So let's see, is there any change in the color? What's the color now?
Green.
And it is with corresponding to the which box? It is with the base, that is 13. Okay. So using these strips, we can find that any substance, a known substance, is how much acidic or base. In the last class, I told you the strength of acid is depending upon how much protons or hydrogen ion it has. ठीक है? And base का hydroxide ions की वजह से पता लगता है. So this is about this. But I don't want to know. I don't want to find that how much acidic or how much basic a solution is. I want to know that any XYZ, ठीक है, substance that is I'm having, a known substance I'm having, is acid or base. मुझे सिर्फ ये पता करना है क्या वो acid है या base है या neutral है. So what should I use? Shall I taste it? ये देखो, अब मेरे पास ये unknown substance है. Shall I taste it? No ना, it can be dangerous for me, है ना? But you can say that, मैम कुछ तो substance को हम taste करके पता कर सकते हैं. Yes, those are edible. Like lemon का अगर मुझे पता करना हो कि taste कैसा है, because lemon is edible, we can eat it, है ना? खा सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा खट्टा लगता है although, तो we can have it. जो खाने वाली चीज है उसका taste we can do, पर जिसका हमें नहीं पता कि ये edible है या नहीं है, we can have it or not, we should not put in our mouth, है ना? हमें अपने माउथ में नहीं डालना चाहिए. तो दो सब्सटेंसेस और उनकी नेचर हम कैसे डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं? हाउ कैन वी फाइंड द नेचर ऑफ दो सब्सटेंसेस? व्हाट शैल आई यूज? यस, क्या यूज करें मैम कि जिससे मुझे पता चले ये एसिड है ये बेस है? Which substances or sets of substances help me to indicate the nature of acid or base? Huh?
Indicators.
So I specifically mentioned that indicate word so that you can guess it out. So you guess it correctly. Yes, these are indicators. Now I'm not telling you which indicator I'm using it. So here I have one, this yellow color, and I hope you're smart enough, you can guess it. Now one is transparent, so you can see the color. Okay. Now I have this with me, that is lime water. Lime water is base or acid? Base. Okay. So why I'm asking you about the lime water, because I have taught many students from other sections also. They get confused with this lime water, lemon water. Lemon water is नींबू का पानी. Lime water is चूने वाला पानी, जो पेंट से पहले चूना लगता है, that. ठीक है. So it is base. अब ये जो base है, now I have this beaker, small beaker. In this beaker I am adding this base थोड़ा सा मैंने बेस डाला and now I'm adding this transparent indicator that I don't know ये है क्या. So let's see. Can you see any change in the color?
Yes, ma'am.
So what's the color now? It's pink. You can see now it's pink. Yes. So can you tell me the name of this indicator that was transparent? पहले transparent था. As I added that solution, lime water in it, it turned pink. So yes, last bench boy who raised his hand. Yes, beta. What's the name of this indicator? Phenolphthalein. That's nice. Wonderful. So it is phenolphthalein. So phenolphthalein, इसको note अपने दिमाग में करना. Phenolphthalein only changes its color with the base. ना ही वो एसिड के साथ चेंज करेगा, ना ही वो आपका जो है न्यूट्रल के साथ चेंज करेगा. ठीक है. Now I have one more solution with me, that is indicator, that is yellow in color. So I'm going to add this here in this beaker. So you can see it's evident, it's yellow in color. So in this also I'm going to add this lime water. So let's see, is there any change in the color? Can you see any change in the color? Is there any change?
Yes, ma'am.
So what's the color now? It is bright orange, or we can say towards red color. Yes. Can you see this? देखो ध्यान से देखो. Now is it clear? If it's not clear, I'll show you using another thing. ठीक है? Just give me a minute. I'll show you using. Okay, so I have this beaker, flask with me. So you can see as I'm adding in this. Can you see its color now? Can you see what's its color? Mustard-like color? Yes or no? About, ठीक है? So we were discussing about कि ये जो solution था, जो येलो कलर का था, वो कैसा हो गया? It is mustard. So it is which solution is this? येलो कलर का ये क्या है? कौन सा इंडिकेटर है? Yes, what's the name of this indicator that is yellow in color? It is turmeric. That's nice. Because we have taken that, let me take. So I have now this red strip with me, red litmus paper. I have blue litmus paper with me also. ठीक है? Now we know this is lime water. So let's check the nature of this again by using these indicators also. Now I have this red indicator. You can see it's purely red in color, light red. I'm going to add this in this. So is there any change in the color? Yes. So color is changed into blue. So with it means it is base. ठीक है, तो इसने भी कंफर्म कर दिया ये बेस है. I have red also. So let me check with the red, blue also. कि blue में कुछ change होता है. So let's see. Is there any change with the blue? No change. So it means base only shows color change with the red litmus paper. So now take out your worksheet. Take out your worksheet. So in that worksheet, you have tabular question, case-based question. Try to solve in which we are using lime water. जिसमें 4 टेस्ट ट्यूब दी है और उसमें जो है आपका दे रखा है ये चीज. Try to solve it by yourself. और बताओ. Tell me more. Okay, wonderful. So now come to the question number 4. ठीक है, fourth is the question number 4. So in the question number 4, what is being asked here? So you have 4 test tube, ठीक है, A, B, C and D, ठीक है, and you are using here and you are using an indicator, different indicators, ठीक है. So now what you have to show here, in the first test tube A, orange color, ठीक है, orange color of the solution turned yellow. So first is that. So which solution, which indicator it should be? कौन सा indicator होना चाहिए ये? लाइम वाटर डालने पे कोई इंडिकेटर जो है उसका कलर ऑरेंज से येलो होता है. इट्स अ सिंथेटिक वन. फर्स्टली आई एम टेलिंग यू सिंथेटिक इंडिकेटर. सो विच इंडिकेटर हैज इनिशियली येलो कलर, ऑरेंज कलर? किसका ऑरेंज कलर होता है? तो मिथाइल ऑरेंज. द फर्स्ट वन इज मिथाइल ऑरेंज. इसको लिखो, मिथाइल ऑरेंज. So it's the first part of this question number 4. Now B is saying red color change into blue. So red color change into blue. We have done this. So which indicator is this? So red litmus. Now next is colorless turned into pink. Colorless turned into pink. Which indicator? Phenolphthalein. And the last is D. D is yellow turned into yellowish red. So this one जो हमने इसमें डाल दिया बाद में to show you better. So which indicator it is? Turmeric. So it is turmeric. So it's the answer of first. Coming to the B. Which test tube contained phenolphthalein? So कौन सी उसमें phenolphthalein है? ठीक है. Coming to the C part of this, which test tube showed the characteristic action of a base on red litmus? Which test tube? It was B. Coming to the D. Why did the liquid in test tube A not turn red after sodium hydroxide? You can mention it here, lime water is added. क्यों नहीं उसका color change हुआ red में? Instead of going to the, we can say color change to yellow. Orange से yellow हो गया, लेकिन orange से red क्यों नहीं हुआ? Red किसके साथ दिखाता है methyl orange? It show with the acid. But we are using here lime water, that is base. So answer क्या आ जाएगा? Lime water is a base, not acid. Lime water is a base, not acid. So acid shows red color with the methyl orange, not base. ठीक है. Now same test we are going to do with the, now with the acetic acid, that is vinegar. ठीक है. So I have this acetic acid with me. Now here again we have phenolphthalein, we have this turmeric solution. So I'm going to put and let's see is there any change in the color. So अब ये दोनों में मैं acetic acid add कर रही हूँ. Is there any change in the color? Any of the test tube, phenolphthalein and turmeric? Can you see any change in the color? No change with the acid. That's right. So acid doesn't show any change in the color with the turmeric or phenolphthalein. But we have two more, we can say, indicators that will tell us that is there any change or not. So firstly, I'm going to use this blue one. You can see it's totally blue. So let me put in the acetic acid. So let's say, see any change. Is there any change in the color? Is there any change in the color of blue litmus paper? Yes, so it is red now. तो यहाँ से हमें पता लग गया. So I have this red litmus को डाल के देखते हैं. Will it show any change in color? No. क्योंकि रेड लिटमस शो चेंज इन द कलर विद द बेस and the blue litmus show change with the acid. So that is how we can confirm the nature of this. So with this, let's move to the table number or question number 3rd. चलो अब 3rd पे आ जाते हैं. Let's go to the 3rd question. 3rd का A. Again we have A, B and C and D test tube. We are using vinegar like we have used acetic acid. Initial color was transparent and colorless and didn't change upon adding acid. Name the indicator. क्या था indicator ये? Yes, इस indicator का क्या नाम है जो कि acid डालने पे color change नहीं हुआ? Phenolphthalein. So it's the phenolphthalein. Now next is B. Yellow color remained yellow. Yellow color remained yellow. Turmeric. That is turmeric. Now C. Which indicator used in the experiment is a natural indicator obtained from a flower? China rose. ठीक है, that is China rose. China rose is D. So मैं साथ में आपको जो है ऑप्शंस भी करा रही हूँ. ठीक है, अब हमारे पास बीच में जो था, जो ब्लू कलर चेंज इनटू रेड, व्हाट्स द नेम ऑफ दिस? इट्स ब्लू लिटमस. ठीक है, कमिंग टू द ए हो गया. नाउ कमिंग टू द बी. Which test tube provides the clearest evidence that the added solution is acid? पता चला था हमें. That is blue litmus, क्योंकि सिर्फ उसी में कलर चेंज अभी हमने देखा. That is C test tube. ठीक है, coming to the C part. Which indicator used in the experiment is a natural indicator obtained from a flower? That you told me. What's the answer? Yes, you told me that. What's the answer of this? China rose. It's the China rose. Coming to the D. Coming to the D. Why did the colorless liquid in test tube A show no visible change even though an acid was added? तो फर्स्ट में जो हमने phenolphthalein है उसमें एसिड डाला, कलर चेंज नहीं हुआ. क्यों? Because phenolphthalein show change in the color with base only. That's the answer. ठीक है, so I hope you can do this. बेटा फिफ्थ वाला I think you can do by yourself. Fifth वाला you can do by yourself also. Try to do by yourself. Otherwise we will discuss in the class also. Try to do these questions by yourself. ठीक है, so now with this we are ending this class. ठीक है, so bye everyone. Bye बच्चे.